Hey there, creators. Welcome back to Learn with Gravity, where we bring you the best tips to supercharge your YouTube journey. In today's video, we're diving into 5 more trending niches to create YouTube Shorts in 2024. Shorts are taking off like never before, and these niches will help you capture attention and grow fast. Whether you're a beginner or looking to explore new content ideas, stay tuned because these are perfect for going viral in no time. Let's jump right in. Kicking things off with niche number 1, productivity hacks. In today's fast-paced world, everyone's looking for ways to get more done in less time. That's where productivity hacks come in. Imagine sharing quick 30-second tips like how to prioritize your tasks, organize your workspace, or boost your focus using free apps. These tips resonate with a huge audience, from students to professionals. What makes this niche powerful is that it offers instant value. People can take your advice and apply it immediately. For example, try creating a series like Productivity Hack of the Day, quick and actionable tips that will have viewers coming back for more. You can highlight popular tools like Notion, Trello, or Pomodoro timers, and even throw in some time-saving Chrome extensions. People love seeing how they can upgrade their lives in just 60 seconds or less. Next up, we have fun facts trivia. People love learning quick bits of knowledge, and trivia is a perfect fit for YouTube Shorts. Whether it's weird facts about the animal kingdom, mind-blowing historical events, or fun scientific quirks, this niche gets people hooked in seconds. The trick is to make the facts engaging with visuals, sound effects, and curiosity hooks. Ask a question in the first few seconds, like, did you know there's a lake in Canada that changes colors, and then reveal the fascinating answer with cool graphics. Trivia like this sparks conversations, encourages viewers to share, and gets tons of likes and comments. Plus, it's an easy niche to repurpose into other formats like quizzes or interactive polls. Use this niche to entertain while educating. Now, for something exciting, unboxing and first impressions. This niche is exploding as people love the thrill of discovering new products without having to buy them. Whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or even mystery boxes, unboxing videos are a surefire way to tap into viewer curiosity. You can film yourself or just your hands unwrapping packages, showing off the products, and giving your live reactions as you explore their features. The beauty of this niche is that it's visually engaging and taps into that feeling of anticipation and excitement. At number 4, we have cooking tips in under a minute. Whether you're a pro chef or just love food, cooking shorts are an endless goldmine for content. Everyone's looking for quick meal ideas, hacks, and kitchen tricks. From showing how to whip up a quick breakfast to sharing hacks like peeling garlic in 10 seconds or making a perfect poached egg, there are so many angles to explore. The key to success in this niche is keeping it simple, visual, and mouth-watering. You can also create short tutorials on how to use common kitchen tools or share meal prepping tips for busy viewers. Don't forget to add a catchy caption, like tasty dinner in 60 seconds, to grab attention. And last but not least, we have motivational quotes, life lessons. In a world that's often filled with stress and negativity, sharing positivity can be a powerful way to connect with your audience. A short, uplifting quote or piece of advice can brighten someone's day in less than a minute. You can feature famous quotes from great thinkers, life lessons you've learned, or even share a personal message of encouragement. Pair it with relaxing visuals and peaceful background music to create a calming vibe. This niche is perfect for creating a sense of connection with your viewers. It's simple, shareable, and can easily inspire viral growth. So there you have it, 5 fresh niches to jump on for YouTube Shorts in 2024. From quick productivity tips to unboxing first impressions and motivational content, there's a niche for everyone. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video from Learn with Gravity. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.